Good afternoon and welcome to this second live interactive session of this NPTEL course, Advanced Transition Metal Organometallic Chemistry. Like before, in this session we are going to be taking up questions and clarifications that you may have, and we will answer them in this live session. So once again I welcome you all to this session and request you to type in your queries and questions, and we will try to answer them in the order in which we receive them. Now, as we wait to get questions from you, let me just mention that in this particular course we have looked into various principles that define the field of organometallic chemistry. That the principles which govern the area of organometallic chemistry, be it the compound formation, be it the interaction, be it the geometry of the compound, be it the interaction between the metal and the ligand, all of those intricate principles that define the foundation of this field is what we try to discuss as a part of this course. The overall idea being that once we understand these basic and also subtle principles that govern the field, we would be able to have a better grasp in the area, and that is the key focus of this course. And the content which has been covered, it is slightly at an elevated level than that of basic organometallic chemistry course, which is a prerequisite to the content covered in this course. So this is by and large what this course focuses on, and with that prelude we come to this interactive session. I hope that you are finding this course useful as well as informative, and that this course helps you generate interest in the area of organometallic chemistry. And with that, I once again request you to send us your questions and clarification by typing it in the chat box, and we will answer them in the order in which we receive them. So, welcome to this live interactive session of this NPTEL course, Advanced Transition Metal Organometallic Chemistry. This is the second live interactive session for this NPTEL course. I hope that you are going over the lectures as are being posted on the web by the NPTEL team. If you have any questions or clarifications, please feel free to connect with us regarding the same, and we will be happy to answer your comments and queries in this live interactive session. So please type in your questions in the chat box and we will answer them in the order in which we receive them. Welcome to this second live interactive session of this course, Advanced Transition Metal Organometallic Chemistry. If you have any questions or clarification, then please type in your questions in the chat box and we'll answer them. In this session, we clear doubts for the student if they have any. Welcome to this second live interactive session of this NPTEL course, Advanced Transition Metal Organometallic Chemistry. In this session, we are going to be answering questions and clearing doubts of students if they have any. Hence, I am requesting the students attending this session to type in any questions or clarification that they may have, and I will answer them in the order in which we receive them. Please type in any questions or clarification you may have. Welcome to this second live interactive session of the NPTEL course Advanced Transition Metal Organometallic Chemistry. In this live interactive session, this is the second such session for this course. We are going to be taking up any questions or doubts that you may have. Please type in the same in the chat box and we will answer them in the order in which we receive them. Welcome to this second live interactive session of this NPTEL course, Advanced Transition Metal Organometallic Chemistry. In this live interactive session, we interact in an interactive mode. We try to clear doubts and answer questions of the students if they have any. Hence, I am requesting the students who are attending this live session to type in their questions and clarification in the chat box, and we will answer them in the order in which we receive them. Welcome to this second live interactive session. Please type in your questions in the chat window and we'll answer them. So we have not received a single query in this session. I request you to send in your questions. If not, then we will call an end to this interactive session. In the meantime, I wish you all the best in the exam that you will soon have on this course. We'll wait for a couple of minutes to see if we receive any more questions. If not, then we will come to the end of this interactive session. So with that, we are coming to the closure of this interactive session. So again, thank you for being with us, being in this interactive session, and I also wish you all the best in the upcoming exam of this course. I hope that you have enjoyed this course, you have found this course informative and useful, and I hope that this course arouse interest in the area of organometallic chemistry. So with this, once again I thank you and bye bye.